morning everyone. Today is Sunday the 26th of July. It is 12:15 and we were planning to go to Albufeira. Am I saying that right? Albufeira. But someone said that the shops were closed on Sundays, and then another person said that they thought they were open. So now we're just not going to take the chance because we're going to have to pay for a taxi there and back, which will probably come to about 60 quid, and there's no point spending that sort of money if they're not open. We might as well just go tomorrow instead. So we're finally on the train that I've been talking about, because we kept wanting to come on it, but every time we were going to come on it, me and Hannah weren't ready in time, so now we're on the train and going to go on a little tour thingy, which will be fun.
Her bodies go like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine cause she needed a dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out, the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean, and at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's feeling alright. Loose cannon but still it won't fight. No need to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I'll be gone to November, going through the letters that I send her, and thinking about the moment that I met her. Well, I'll be back in due time, in due time. Touchdown, throw off my own two shoes. Still the same city I've been used to, and all the reckless things that we do keep us young, they're good signs, they're good signs. Take a little more if you need it. Voices of the night won't mislead it. The tide pulls me in, but it takes slow. Here's to the nights we let go. And I'm hoping that they figure out it's all about the scenery along the route. No fears and no problems. These moments are so kind, they're so kind. All the good comes in waves. I buy my time by the ocean.
Okay, so we just got off of the train. It was really fun. There it goes. Goodbye train. Okay, did you have a nice time on the train, Hannah?
Yeah, it was good, really cool.
They played really funky music.
Yeah, it's very traditional.
Yeah. And I'm supporting the clap today. Gotta keep that sun off my forehead, because otherwise it will get burnt.
That's not why your head burns so easily.
Don't know. My face just likes to be hot. Just kidding. Banter.
And at night I'm awake to feel the wake of your motion. And I want something that's
I forgot to vlog mine to start with, so but it was really good. I had full English breakfast in Portugal. Where's he gone?
I'm just That one's on my back. That's not open.
There's a fire. So
There
much
you go.
drama this morning.
There he goes.
But yeah, there's a fire over there. There was smoke, but you can't see it anymore. And the helicopter is like picking up water from the sea and like coming around and around sort of thing and just dropping water on it. This lighting is absolutely terrible. Oh my god, I'm zoomed in. I wondered why I looked so weird. Okay, so we are going down to the pool and it is like almost 4 o'clock. So yeah, we're going down to the pool now. We got back about 2 and we literally just laid on our bed for about 2 hours watching YouTube. Oops. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let go. Yes. It's got like a touch screen, it's really fancy. Isn't it? You press 3, we're on 3, you need to go 0. Well done!
Oh, it's amazing.
Can't open a door.
Very good test.
Oh no. Walking down by the pool. Okay. Probably. Oh my hand gone. Okay, so obviously we've come back from the pool and we've got ready. And now it's probably almost 8 o'clock and we're going to go eat. But yeah, I'm just wearing a plain black dress with my kimono. And I didn't really have time to let my hair dry completely, so it's kind of still wet. Oh well.
If you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain.
Maybe you should try olive.
That's nice, really nice. Ooh. Kind of went all out. Got a pina colada. Oh. I forgot again to, what are you doing? Okay, so anyway, I was really echoey. Anyway, yeah, I forgot to record my food again. I always do this. I just had spaghetti bolognese. I didn't really know what to have because I wasn't too hungry, and everything on the menu is kind of like, the place we went to was the place where I had really big like portions sort of thing, so I didn't know what to have that it wasn't going to be too like full. Okay, hold on. There's people up on a balcony who are looking right at me. They can hear me. Anyway, I'll finish it upstairs. But yeah, I had a pina colada and it was a place that gives you port, so I'm surprised I'm not a little bit tipsy again. Although my head does feel a bit funny again, but I'll be fine. We're going straight to sleep. What? Oh, what? Oh my god, what? Okay, there's someone just messaged me on Facebook. I don't have this person on Facebook. They just said, hiya, if you're with Carla, please can you tell her I love her as I forgot to say. Kiss. What? Who the heck is Carla and who the heck is Noah? Who are you? What the heck? I do not have a clue who this person is. What the heck? I am not friends with this person. What am I supposed to say? Just be like, oh, sorry, I think you got the wrong person. I don't know Carla and I have no idea who you are. Hannah? Yeah? I need your help. It's really weird, okay? Okay, so I just replied. What I don't get is, obviously he's going out with this Carla girl, as he was saying, can you tell her I love her? If I'm supposed to be with Carla, that probably means I'm Carla's friend. And if I'm Carla's friend, wouldn't he have me on Facebook already? But anyway, watch tomorrow's vlog if you want to know if he replies. But I honestly need to go to bed, so I'm going to need to end this vlog now. But thanks for watching the vlog.
I suppose.
Bye. What?
I suppose.
Why?
So, thanks for watching it, I guess.
Oh, I guess. Bye.